I have Motorola Moto G60s, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps. So firstly, you have to access Recents section. If you have the 3 buttons navigation system, you will need the Recents button. It will be on the left or on the right. But if you have the gesture navigation, you just have to slide the finger like this and you can access Recents. As you can see, I have a lot of opened apps right now. So to close them all at once, swipe here and tap clear all. And after that, all of these apps will be closed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.